Can you really learn English completely by yourself? From zero to confidence. No teacher, no expensive classes, no special environment. Just your phone, your time, and the right approach. Yes, you absolutely can. But there is one important thing you need to understand. Learning English is not about studying more. It is about using English more. So in this video, I'm going to show you 10 simple ways to build your English from the beginning and become a more confident speaker. Before we begin, please to subscribe Speak Bold English. Like this videos and support me. Let's start. Number 1. Make listening your first habit. Before you try to speak perfect English, give your ears time to understand it. Listen to simple English every day. Listen to conversations. Watch short English videos. Pay attention to how people connect their words. At first, you may understand only a few words. That is completely fine. Your brain is getting used to the language. The more English you hear, the more natural it starts to feel. Number 2. Practice a little every single day. You do not need 3 hours of English practice every day. You need consistency. Even 15 minutes can make a difference if you do it regularly. 10 minutes today, 15 minutes tomorrow. Another 15 minutes the next day. Do not wait until you have a perfect schedule. Make English a small part of your normal day. Remember this, small practice every day is better than a big study session once a week. Number 3. Bring English into your everyday life. Do not keep English inside a notebook. Bring it into your daily routine. Set your phone to English. Read simple posts in English. Watch videos in English. Listen to English while you are walking, relaxing, or doing simple tasks. The goal is to make English feel normal. When English becomes part of your everyday life, learning becomes much easier. Number 4. Learn from people who actually speak English. One great way to improve naturally is to watch English-speaking creators. Choose creators whose English you can understand. Listen to the phrases they use. Notice how they start conversations. Notice how they explain things. You will discover expressions that textbooks often do not teach, and you will learn how English sounds in real life. Number 5. Find people who are learning too. Learning alone can sometimes feel difficult. That is why you should find an English learning community. Talk to other learners. Practice simple conversations. Share your progress. Ask questions. And most importantly, do not feel embarrassed because your English is not perfect. Everyone starts somewhere. When you practice with other learners, your confidence can grow much faster. Number 6. Listen to your own English. Here is something many learners avoid. Record yourself speaking. You do not need a fancy microphone. Take your phone and speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. Describe something around you. Then listen to your recording. You may notice unclear pronunciation, repeated words, or places where you stop too much. That is useful. You are hearing yourself like another person would hear you. Use that information to improve. Number 7. Stop treating mistakes like failures. You will make mistakes. Everyone does. And that is not a reason to stop speaking. A mistake simply tells you that there is something you can improve. If you say something incorrectly, learn the better version and use it again. Do not spend your energy trying to sound perfect. Spend it trying to communicate. The more you practice, the more mistakes you will correct. And slowly, your English will become stronger. Number 8. Build your own vocabulary bank. Do not try to memorize hundreds of random words. Choose words that you actually need. And do not write only the meaning. Use the word in a sentence. For example, if you learn the word improve, do not just memorize its meaning. Create a sentence with it. I want to improve my English every day. Now, the word has a connection with your real life. That makes it much easier to remember. Number 9. Start creating instead of only watching. This is where your learning can become much more active. Do not spend all your time consuming English content. Create something too. Write a short paragraph. Write a social media caption. Record a 1-minute English video. Talk about your favorite topic. When you create something in English, your brain has to find the words by itself. That is powerful practice. You are not just recognizing English anymore. You are actually using it. Number 10. Give yourself enough time. Do not expect to become fluent in 7 days. And do not give up because you are not seeing huge results after 1 month. Language learning takes time. Some days you will feel like you are improving quickly. Other days you may feel stuck. That is normal. What matters is that you keep moving. Listen, speak, read, write, practice. Then repeat. Your progress may be slow sometimes, but consistent practice adds up. So if you really want to learn English by yourself, remember these 10 things. Listen every day. Practice consistently. Bring English into your daily life. Learn from real speakers. Practice with other learners. Record yourself. Learn from your mistakes. Build useful vocabulary. Create in English. And be patient with yourself. You do not need a perfect teacher. You do not need expensive courses. And you definitely do not need to wait for the perfect time. You can start with what you already have. Your phone, a few minutes, and the decision to practice today. Do not say, I will start tomorrow. Start with 10 minutes today. Because confidence does not come before practice. Confidence comes from practice. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep improving, and one day you will look back and realize that the English you once struggled with has become part of your everyday life. If this video helped you, give it a like. Share it with someone who is learning English. And subscribe to Speak Bold English. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.